tonight. We're gonna kill a song tonight.
That's sweet. Depend on your family, your bitch. Got that who you good for? Only your ass.
Murder. You shouldn't try test this sound, yeah. No,
all that stupid.
A murder. You shouldn't try play this sound.
You want me to carry you 3 for and thing now? Hold on, fast and sweet.
We a go kill them a 1 by 1. And Dooley a go kill them a 2 by 2. And Roy a go kill them a 3 by 3.
That's easy, man.
Come catch a miss.
Dooley or Rolly? College!
Hardcore, it a big bad sound. No hear that sound, me say nobody taste we.
Don't get it twisted, boy.
As if them ever taste the hardcore, you know them a go dead and bury.
College!
We go and kill a whole pan sound. They must dead and bury, yeah. Now if I think pan sound come taste sweet.
Man, you gonna cut some troopers a decent rhythm, you understand? You understand where I get from?
Love of hood, all the while them coming at the dance, jump and you don't stand a chance. Cause tonight, this hardcore Dooley them rocking in at the dance. He might bury them. He's in a slim, he might bury them. Just because
come on, big up style, big up bony man.
Bury them. Just because they won't get
you thought when you got you.
Bury them.
You can find this one. Style, big up yourself. Color, do I get thirsty with Dooley boy? You still going to raise that thing for you? That is a joke, one more man. That is Pampidou, cause you might not know, you understand what I'm saying? But let me tell you this right now, Color. You see Dooley as long as they come in Barbados.
Guaranteed, I'll go kill a sound, no need no warranty. Yes, a hardcore away, the girls them need. Hardcore who them
one more man.
Say yes indeed.
Come again.
It is guaranteed. Dooley kill a boy, no need no warranty.
When I play this,
when
I play this, don't even try to Google it.
Yes,
you know, so I tell you, listen.
When the road is called up yonder, I've gotta be there. Alright.
Well, now, no.
When the road is
that is a place, Dooley. Dooley, you know that is a place. Don't trick the people down here. You feel that business is fools? That is a place. Where can you find tennis or? Huh? Turn it, he said, man. Turn it, he said, man.
Massive. Miami crew, big up, man. Seeing?
Jesus, peace. Here, what?
Sure.
You had lost a boy.
Sha-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la.
Here, what, Dooley, man?
Sha-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. So no absence. I did select over the behind it. Stand your horn.
Dooley, don't buy you money, you can't. You play there, that Color can't play. Don't get twisted.
Hollywood. Yeah, me a smiley.
You know what?
Your friend where you smoke with and run joke with. Them things for cut a chat. We the only one that create clover. The one up above, give him pressure to it and a rope. Earthquake, watch your friend where you smoke with, run joke with. Them things for cut a chat. We the only one that create clover. The one up above, give him closer to you than a rope. Me put Sam to the show that I hear that night. I say a prayer before she go to bed that night. Cause some boy a roam and a girl them a bite. Me see them do it a day, me kill them sound a night.
Dooley, don't get tired, Dooley.
Earthquake International, them a fight.
Don't get twisted with me, Dooley.
Master people
are... How about 2 for 2? If you got another 5 minutes, 15 minutes, don't care what.
Every good selector get a fight, cause them know where to play for make the crowd alright. Morning, noon, or night, hours, we play a big tune for the music lovers. Selector vex till them blood a boil. Criminal a play the music in a rubber dub style. We no care who and carry feelings.
Dooley, let's see what the mongrels left home, you know what?
Some big long gun all run out pan them. Extra load triple done out pan them. Youngsters, gorillas come out pan them. War them from night till sun out. King earthquake, some big long guns all run out pan them. Extra load triple done out pan them. Youngsters, gorillas.
Don't get twisted, Dooley, with it.
Them war them from night earthquake. I tell them say fuck as you men nothing to me.
Hear this combination. You're playing the combination for them. Hear this for you.
Hey, what them? While you sleep, we are on the beat, patrolling while
you know what?
Sleep.
No respect, disrespect. In our aspect, some boy no know who them a deal with. Them to stop and check. No respect, disrespect. In every aspect, them no know who them a deal with.
You know what? Don't tell them.
avoid. So we the hypocrites them fi avoid. We kill sound every day and we still not quit. And we a bust it up them and I make them song ya hit. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Denies them no bad like you. Kill sound every day and we still not quit. And we a bust it up them and I make them song ya hit. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Can them no bad like you, cause it's just another day.
Warland.
You know what, Dooley?
Hey, over we. In a dance sound just a get that show we. In a dance copper and let that show we. In a dance boy bust them head that show we. Earthquake. Them a say make you so bad, you too bad, you too bad, you too bad, you too bad, good God, you too bad. Who much kind of road you alone want have? Make sure you dash your
feet. I get BJ.
No, sir. Some sound by them sick colored than the devil on the Levy.
I get play my brethren.
Vegas and Trench Town. You know, say Dog Family. You know, say Selector Rhythm Please. You know, some boy them.
What do you?
Never know it. Me tell them. Not for them a walk bad man, talk bad man, look bad man, see a bad man boat. Them not know bad man. Put up your man. All colored man are the real bad man. Them a walk bad man, talk bad man, look bad man, see a bad man boat. Them not know bad man. Put up your man. All colored man are the real bad man. Them a walk. Look they make coca blast it. Look the fiberglass man. They can be period. Then this colored man me make them call differences. Now we gone mad and get ballistic. The rest of me mouth me the spit them took it they can't stick. Kill song by them so sick. There's no time to panic. Car Ricky be me come up about the big on the fuck them a walk bad man, talk bad man, look bad man, see a bad man boat. Them not know bad man. Put up your man. All colored man are the real bad man. Them a walk
man. You talk about major artists. You want to play one, they can play two now. Here what?
Oh, you don't know representing for Earthquake Sounds. You don't know Pad and Bows, called Blank Colored. Look, they got all the crews, man. They got Little City, they got Channel 12, Long Street, Mongo Doors, 187, Head Brett.
That ain't Congo Blank. Watch this, see what going on here, Dolly.
I'm saying, look. After the time, Earthquake Sounds the young. The man that they working with a big gun, look.
You want that this for you, Mike?
Sounds the young. And he start talk, the man raise the big guns, look. Earthquake Sounds, the lemon for the block. A man violate, big in the man talk, look. Noise back out, and the war kick start, he get shot inside the head, shot inside the yard, look. But he don't know how Mongo does his role. He disrespect the order, and the man take his soul. Carry man gear, one tell he carry raw soul. But he wanna nothing about it, he just work a talk show, look. Quick so, the police start to come. The lamp when he seen about Earthquake Sounds. The police say wait that I won't kill a man. But on the side rings and start to tear down, look. Don't fuck wrong, you get gunned down.
You bought the tune at all, Dolly, but I thought you come for the war, man.
When me say master free, watch out a criminal. Conscience me name. Watch out then. Earthquake Sound, we not frightened for nobody, but we respect everybody, and we better than everybody. Earthquake can run with anybody.
You call Tommy Lee? You call Tommy Lee? You call Tommy Lee?
Criminal, but anyway, things bad now make no boy take fame by the way.
Hey, Earthquake, man crazy. Things pop insane.
You call Tommy Lee?
Some boy better straighten themselves in the company line. Rifle we bust to your brain. Told me we feel real intimidating vain. Contract we fall like a rain. Make it look like crash cap on the main jing style. What's a dark ink when it's stained? Laugh till a cough if you think it's a joke I'm saying. So we girl them not easy.
I'm a car. Earthquake Sound. Earthquake take them life. Master P take them life. Criminal take them life. Smiley take them life. Earthquake. None of we don't know what tomorrow might bring, but them sound they are dead today. Earthquake killer sound today. Master P killer sound today. Yeah. So now we make we kill who we want to kill sound for dead today. Master P killer sound today. Criminal killer sound today. Earthquake come make we kill them out. Earthquake sound killer sound boy. Criminal killer sound boy. Be nice killer sound boy.
The brothers. Earthquake Sound. Look, so all them attack. Man a stepper. Catch up them a play, man a pepper. Earthquake walk. Man a stepper. Catch up them a play, man a pepper. Coulda day, coulda dark. Man a stepper. Catch up them a play. The girl you never buy out no chart. Earthquake know better. Catch up them a play, man a pepper. Earthquake, you hot feed them. Them a use some style is not feed them. You never gone. You back feed them. Like did not see them. Earthquake.
Sort out. Good. Alive. Sound boy, you got dead in here tonight. Earthquake never give up. A G with that. Earthquake, we are go sort them out. Them better worry.
You're getting forward. Your friends getting forward. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Nah, it was a good tune. It's a good tune. But it's the earthquake. I can sort them out. That's all. If you in the office saying over files and you just can sort out files and thing, how you get? If you hear me, Vietnam, I like the reason, Sonny, because you talk some shit. You know what I'm saying? How you gonna tell me? How you gonna tell me, right? How you gonna tell me, right? That I don't have no Bajan artist and they just play lyric. That's so old. You know what that is? And then you gonna turn around and play Crimson, that offbeat and all kind of shit. You serious? That's all like beer shit. Let me show you how you play real Bajan artist, your ass.
You know it's Ben, representing for hardcore movements. Big up Dooley, Unruly.
For God's sake,
up Craig.
Just play tunes like this.
New York, it's a hardcore thing. Can hardcore do a Batman tune?
Listen to the tune now, man.
The lights off, it don't get dark. That ain't what boy Craig, boy, he don't Skylark. If you ever hear that.
Colored, I tell you, just play a tune. Do not talk about artists. Just play freaking tune, Colored.
You know it's Ben, representing for hardcore movements. Big up Dooley.
I tell you, because I live in New York, that don't mean nothing.
Just
jump in. I know what hot. You think it's a clown?
It's a hardcore thing.
I can play a man here crazy and get locked up in America, you idiot. I play a bang thing, listen.
The lights off, it don't get dark. That ain't what boy Craig, boy, he don't Skylark.
It gets better, listen.
Bark. You wanna hear it?
Oh shit, don't run, Colour, don't run.
Top part of your body don't bite it.
Don't run, Colour, don't run.
Hardcore them don't Skylark.
No disrespect, right, Colour? But I thought you was a puppet for truth.
You were gonna be a puppet, just stand in front.
Dooley gonna kick the bucket.
Call when he pick it up and cock it.
Colour,
everything, don't stop it and don't try to stop it. Your free Pablo is a comet. Then he press a button, move off like a rocket. Open up your eyes and try to realize that the mask got the 40 in the pocket.
You just play a 5, baby. You play first, so you want me to play 5 minutes? You just play. You don't got Saints. You don't got Saints. Colour, when you went to school? When you went to school? Again, I'm going to explain things to you because you are not a clash man. You're supposed to just juggle and make CDs and put on vans. Don't clash people. You're ready for clashing. You understand? You know a white frog left around you? That all they talking about, you realize that for you one day? Listen.
Unruly, big up yourself, alright?
Bajan again?
I can't take the spirit of the people. Yeah,
here white color
the
left around you.
hardcore international sounds. Sims and Dooley, big up yourself one time. Let me show them set.
Listen.
Oh.
No. This is white frog left around you.
Hardcore.
Don't tell me about Bajan artists.
Dooley and Slims, them a come from the ghetto, killing songs for a long time.
You think it easy for you?
Let me dub Dooley boss. Slims with a bus one the same
time. You really think it easy? I don't care about Tommy Lee. He's a demon.
We pop out now.
I believe in God.
And anybody
frog left around you because of this.
It's a dead time.
Listen.
But look how things happen and sound life changes. Hardcore international I reach different stages. The same sound with them I help through them phases. Bad mind Dooley and Slims for the money and praises.
Your best friend gone.
Yeah. I become the enemy.
Colored, press play there if you're bad. If you're bad, press play.
Dooley see them from afar.
The fuck are you?
We don't care who.
Colored, don't trouble Dooley boy.
Yeah. Dooley, Unruly, you know. Slims.
Take it easy for shooter.
Sound, you know, I'm
smart. I'm smart.
Dooley,
here no father crab by tricky. Bonnie Matty say tricky.
Who they are?
I just got smart, tune.
Them evil vibes, trying to test the iron hardcore or take them life.
After this is tune for tune, okay? Next, we want people party too. You understand?
Got the 4-5 and the SLR.
Right.
They coming with them
Let me get jumping now.
Day and night. We go take them lives.
Yeah.
We Dooley have the eyesight of an eagle. The heart of a lion and tunes we must fear 250,000 people. The blood of war running through in veins. Make some white feel the pain. Hardcore sounds never gonna give up. Dooley focus on the prize. No matter how the evil sounds a try, they never can harm I and I at all.
No. You come here, I can show you how disrespectful you is. All the people that live around here shouldn't heal you no more. Because you come around here, know the man got the stinky, and they playing there for the men that got stinky. You deserve to get run from but here.
Hey, it's all about the hardcore killers.
You disrespectful.
International. Dooley the Unruly.
I gotta come from New York to play there for these people that smoking stinky. Listen, you punk.
So set the thing. Twing. Brand new
killers, yes, they've come to town.
You want me to play